All right, I just got my brand new shipment of LiveGood and I wanted to unbox it for you. So if you're watching this video, maybe you're in LiveGood, you haven't bought any products yet, or maybe you're looking to join and you kind of want to know what the experience was like and you're wondering if you should get the wholesale membership. I'm going to go and unbox my products for you right now. So here's the box here. Like you see, LiveGood. I actually ordered this 3 days ago, and I live in South Carolina. They're in Florida, so I usually get my shipment between like 3 to 4 days. It took 3 days to get this shipment. I'm excited because it's got the CBD oil in it. I haven't tried that yet. After I unbox it and show you kind of how the experience is and how they package stuff, I'm going to go ahead and show you my orders. And I just want to show you like kind of like the cost comparison of, the wholesale products, because I know some people out there talk about that, oh, why don't I just go to my corner store and, my corner GMC or whatever it may be and buy the products, I can get them that way. Well, you're not going to save money that way. And I'm going to show you and obviously show you the comparison on how you're saving money with LiveGood. I have a Costco membership. I actually just got back from getting gas at Costco. They do have some good products at Costco. However, even if I go to Costco and I don't pay the shipping and handling, I'm still not going to beat the pricing that I get from LiveGood even after I pay the shipping and handling. And we'll go over that after I go ahead and unbox it. So let me go ahead and get into this. I'm excited again. I want to try the CBD oil. I have not tried it yet. I know CBD oil is good for you, and I can't wait to try it and see how it affects me. I'll be sure I won't cut myself because I don't want to bleed on camera. I don't want anybody passing out who might be prone to passing out when you see blood. Let me go ahead and pull this out. So I got 3 products here. Let me go ahead and show you. I'm opening up the box. So I got my D3K2. I buy it all the time. From what I understand, I'm not a doctor. I only play one on YouTube. But, if you get D3, you should combine it with K2. There's a good guy that I watch online, Dr. LiveGood, which is funny that I'm promoting LiveGood. But Dr. LiveGood, you can find him on YouTube. I'm going to do another video of some of the recommendations that I have of people who help me. Because I read labels all the time. And I'm really into holistic health. Because of some things that happened with my family, I started doing a ton of research. So just know D3K2, from what I understand, is what you want when you get your D3. A lot of people just do D3, and that's not the proper way to take it from my understanding. So what else do I have in here? Oh, I also I forgot I got this. They have a new CBD pain cream. I'm going to hold it here. My light kind of darkened out for you. CBD pain relief cream soothes and relaxes muscles and joints with aloe vera, organic aloe vera. And I'll hold it up there so you can see that here. And it's pretty nice packaging, like everything with LiveGood. I'm reading the label real quick, and I'll bring it up on the screen so you can see it better. But a lot of good stuff in it. Avocado oil, organic aloe vera gel, and a bunch of stuff. And it's going to be easier when I pull it up on the screen. And then also what I've been waiting for is the CBD oil. So I got the 750 milligrams of the full spectrum CBD oil. And I'm going to go ahead and pull it out of the box here. There you go. Safety seal. Great packaging. Sorry if I'm like making you dizzy here. Pull it back here so you can see that. Let's see, it says to take 1 dropper full, and I'm going to go ahead and obviously I'll do more research and kind of see when the best time is to take CBD oil and stuff like that. There's some sources that I go to. But what else is in the box? Oh, I got a little LiveGood band, so they're doing a little promotion. I'm not really going to wear this. I don't really wear this kind of stuff. I don't like stuff around my wrist. But, if you order now, and if you're in LiveGood already, you can get a little band if you want. I'll probably put this on my keychain or something, or put it somewhere else, but that's kind of cool that they added that. And then you got some packing paper in there, and then also your packing slip, that basically will have an outline of everything you bought with your taxes and shipping total and everything like that. So without getting too long in this video, let me go ahead and minimize my big head here, because I want to show you I'm a product of the product. If you saw any of my other videos, let me go ahead and pull myself over here. If you saw any of my other videos on my channel, you'll know that I got into LiveGood initially for the products because I love organic products. When I saw the business model, I wanted nothing to do with the business. because I've done network marketing before and I just didn't want to do it again. However, when I saw it was organic products and the pricing, I was like, well, let me just try the products and see if they're any good. And I actually really like the products. As you see here, I have my shipping history, order history here. You see I have a bunch of orders. This 5066, this is the order I just had. There's your D3K2, the CBD oil, and then also the pain cream here. You know, with $6.21 for shipping for a total of $50.66. And I'm going to go ahead and go over to the screen that has the products and the comparison. And it's just crazy. I got all three of those products, plus the free little cool band, you know, if you're into that kind of stuff, you know, for $50.66. Obviously, I pay my $9.95 a month, but that breaks down to less than $1 a day to be able to get these products. So it really is a non-factor in my opinion. And then here's an order that I did before that, which is my last order, 6444. You know, I bought the super greens. I actually have some empty containers here. I buy the super greens and super reds all the time. Here's my other empty reds here. I have some more over there. And then I'm trying the essential, oh, there goes my light. I'm trying the essential amino acids for the first time, you know, and there you see $19.95, and that to me, that's a great price, and an $8.49 for the shipping. And again, I'm a Costco member. I was just over at Costco. I know that they have some protein powders. I haven't tried the protein powder with LiveGood yet, but I will. They have protein powders over there that, you know, there's some good clean products over there, but you're not going to touch the pricing even with this shipping and handling. So let me go over to the shop here. Let's find the D3K2. Actually, let's go to one of the more pricier products. So let's go to CBD oil. Let's go to learn more. And then again, let's pull up that pricing while we're on this page. So here is the pricing. So $50.66 total for not just the CBD oil, but for all three of these products. And you go down here, and if you look at some of the other competitors for the similar, you know, product, you have this competitor, Green Roads, for $90 and Young Living for $80. So even with the shipping and handling, I'm saving money. I have not looked around locally for any CBD oil, but I do know it's usually pretty pricey. So I'm really happy I can get this CBD oil for $18. And I watch a lot of the videos on the LiveGood channel. And if you're interested in the products, I highly recommend you go over to the LiveGood channel. I'll put a link in my description below. And listen to Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. They're behind the products. They're very knowledgeable. And you'll understand that they're really, they really think about what they put in their products, because they only want to put clean ingredients in the products. So these are quality products. They're not just slapping a sticker. As you can see, this is pretty well packaged stuff here. They're not just white labeling, you know, crap products just to sell a membership. You know, unlike what many naysayers or anti-MLers out there want to say about the company, you know, whatever, you know, they can have their opinions and sit and kind of moan and groan, you know, have their miserable lives that they want. But great products. I'm a product of the product. Here's another empty D3. And then here's my brand new one, just so you know, I'm not just saying that because I want you to become a member or anything like that. I would highly recommend, if you're watching this video and you love organic products, get the membership, test it out. $9.95 a month is going to get you access to this pricing for CBD oil. I don't know where else you're going to get that. So I was trying to show you this and I was holding it down low. Sorry about that. Let me go ahead and go on to another product and kind of compare again. So let's go back to shop. And there's that band. So I got my cool band here, as I showed you. So they're running a little promotion here, which is kind of cool. Obviously, bands don't cost that much, but you know, at least they're doing a little giveaway there. I get the coffee all the time. And then let's go ahead and go, since I did get the essential amino acids in that one order, and I'm going to bring up that after I click on the learn more. So let me bring up that receipt again. In this old order, here it is. Amino acids, $19.95 for this entire order, $64.44. You know, I got the amino acids for $19.95 because I'm a wholesale member. Let's scroll down to the comparison here. The next competitor, you know, that's close with the similar ingredients, $42.17, and then about $50 for this competitor here. And again, I paid a total of $64.44, not just for the essential amino acids, but also with the super reds and the super greens. So $9 for shipping and handling. To me, it's a no-brainer. If it's not for you, then that's fine. Go to your corner store, buy those products there. That's fine if that's what you want to do. But if you're watching this video and you're like, wow, that sounds cool, and I love clean organic products, I promise you won't be disappointed with the products, because again, I read labels. I'm really big on what I put in my body. I've kind of went through some stuff, and I kind of realized that I had to clean up my diet. I was always a pretty clean eater, but there was just some stuff I was naive about, especially reading labels. Now I understand like how canola oil and all those seed oils are really, can be rancid and really bad for you. So again, that's for a totally another video, but where I'm going to put some resources of people who I follow if you're interested in that stuff, because I am, and I just say that because this isn't really about the network marketing company. I'm excited about the network marketing aspect, to be able to build a business around, products like this, to where people can actually save money, not break the bank, and also build a business for them if that's something that you want to do. Whether you want to create a side hustle, which that's most people are doing, or you want to completely replace your income, which over time, depending on your hustle, you can absolutely do that. So without getting long-winded, I appreciate you watching the video. As you see, there's tremendous value here. I'll put links to all the products, to be able to become just a wholesale member if you want nothing to do with the business. I'll put a link there. If you want to, become part of the business, you can do that as well. I'll put a link down there, which also you can become a wholesale member and buy the products as well. And the cool thing about the business side of it is there's no expensive auto ship. You're going to pay $9.95 a month, and then you can buy the products when you feel like you want to buy the products when you're out, not because you're forced, because your auto ship is coming up to buy, $75, $100, $150 worth of products, like a lot of companies out there. So that's what's beautiful about, the way this is, business is set up for LiveGood, as the affiliate program is really something that most people can afford to do, especially in this economy. So with that being said, Howie Perks, I appreciate watching the video. Please like and comment. That will help me rank and get in front of more people. And I'm going to continue to do product videos because I love the products. And I just want to be able to inform people and show people that LiveGood has a great quality products, in my opinion, and it's definitely worth the the $9.95 to become a member, to be able to get these products for the pricing that you're seeing on the screen that we just covered here. So Howie Perks, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you soon.